Hello children, welcome back to Spark Physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. I am back with a new video, that is applications of Biot-Savart law, which is your second unit, magnetic effect of current. Right? The second application is we will be finding the magnetic field due to current carrying long straight conductor. Again here long straight conductor means infinitely long straight conductor. I have made the diagram, you understand it properly. This is current carrying conductor AB, suppose infinitely long it goes. We need to find O is the center from where we are taking the point P at which we need to find out the magnetic field. ठीक है, हमको P पॉइंट पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड निकालना है जो A डिस्टेंस पर है O से. राइट, वी विल कंसीडर ए DL वेक्टर. राइट, DL वेक्टर वी विल कंसीडर करंट कैरिंग वेक्टर एलिमेंट. First we will be finding magnetic field at point P because of this. Right, here you see R is the displacement vector. हमने R ये displacement vector ले लिया यहाँ से लेकर P तक का. Now from Biot-Savart law we know that it is dB is equal to K IDL cross R upon R cube. Okay, here this K is nothing but mu naught upon 4 pi, which we will be substituting here at last. Okay, you see direction of magnetic field at point P. Again, as we have seen in the previous video, for which you need to go to the previous video, the direction at P will be when given by right hand screw rule. When you rotate this from DL to R, this is R, this is DL, at here you will be putting the screw, rotate this DL to R, it will be going inward, so the dB will be perpendicularly inward. The direction is inside the plane. So we can write, if it is 90 degree angle, you can see, we can write in magnitude, we can write IDL sin theta upon R square. Okay, we are taking this LM is very small, infinitely small, then this PMO, angle PMO is equal to angle PLO. You see which one? Angle PMO, this one, and PLO, this one, same. Right, if it is very small, ये इतना close आ जाएगा कि ये लगभग बराबर हो जाएंगे. तो what we can write, LN, see this LN which we have drawn the perpendicular can be written as DL sin theta. This is perpendicular, so we can write DL sin theta. थीटा ये है, इसके सामने ये ln है, because sin theta is what? We know sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? Ln upon, this is dl, so ln we can write dl sin theta. I hope it is clear now. So we are writing dl sin theta. Also ln can be written as r d phi. R d phi. Why we can write this? You see, ln can be taken as the arc of the circle of radius r. ये जो ln है इसका हम यदि arc ले लें, किसका? P पॉइंट पर सेंटर लगा के एक सर्कल बनाए हैं जिसका रेडियस r होगा, तो ln we can consider the arc making angle d phi at point P. ओके, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं उसको? r d phi. Arc is equal to, we know angle is equal to arc by radius, so arc is equal to radius into angle. Okay, we can write, because angle is equal to arc upon radius, so we have radius is equal, we have arc is equal to radius into angle. अब क्लियर है बात? इसको हम r स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दें तो इसको भी करेंगे. This r and 1 r will cancel, so we are left with d phi by r. R को हम और क्या लिख सकते हैं वहां से देखिए, cos phi, this is phi, we can write cos phi equal to a by r, base by hypotenuse. Cos phi is a upon r, so r is equal to a upon cos phi. R is equal to a upon cos phi. Okay, so dl upon dl sin theta upon r square comes out to be how much? 1 by a cos phi d phi. This is your equation number 2. So after substituting this dl sin theta by r square, here we are getting this ki already we have 1 upon a cos phi d phi. Now we will integrate this दिस dB इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्मॉल एलिमेंट, dl की वजह से है। हमको टोटल इंटीग्रेशन करना है, दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी आर फाइंडिंग, वी आर फाइंडिंग बिकॉज ऑफ इनफाइनाइटली लॉन्ग वायर, सो वी विल इंटीग्रेट दिस टू गेट दी टोटल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट P। कहां से कहां तक? एंगल हमने ले लिया -φ1, दिस सपोज +φ2, so we will integrate from -φ1 to +φ2. KIA is constant, so we are taking out integration of cos phi, it is sin phi, so sin phi limit is -φ1 to +φ2. You take upper limit minus lower limit, it is minus angle, so that minus and this minus will give you plus, right? Don't confuse with this, okay? So for infinitely long wire, अब condition हमारे पास क्या है कि wire is infinitely long है, तो हमने φ1 φ2 क्या ले लिया 90 डिग्री, कि इतना लंबा हो गया कि एंगल की वैल्यू इतना बढ़ के हम मान ले approximately it becomes 90 degree. So we'll take KIA sin 90 plus sin 90, it is 1 plus 1, so it will give you 2I by A, and value of K is mu naught upon 4 pi. It is equal to 2I upon A. Solve this, you will get B is equal to mu naught I upon 2 pi A. Okay, this is the value of magnetic field at point P because of infinitely long current carrying conductor. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Little few things, small things you need to remember, what values we need to substitute for angle, what values we need to substitute for dl sin theta by r square. From the beginning you can see that our main purpose was to substitute value for this dl sin theta by r square. उसकी हमने वैल्यू निकाली और सब्स्टिट्यूट करके इंटीग्रेट कर दिया. यू नीड टू रिमेंबर द स्टेप्स कि व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. ओके, आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. एनी डाउट, put it in the comment box please. So this finishes with this second application of Biot-Savart law. Thank you everyone. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe the video. Thank you once again.